Hi everyone, this is Mermaid Aaliyah, and I want to talk to you a little bit about what to do now that you have a Finfolk fabric tail or perhaps some other type of neoprene or thick fabric material tail. There's a lot of them appearing on the market right now. That's really exciting. You know, this is a really cool new option of tails to get if you're looking for something realistic that isn't quite silicone, you know, not as pricey, doesn't take as long to make, but has that really cool realistic look and giant size. So here I have my very own Finfolk tail here with me. Thanks so much Finfolk Productions, by the way, for making this awesome tail. I've really enjoyed it. It's a really cool tail. So it might not work for everyone's tail, but I do want to go ahead and mention, you know, how I dry my tail because I found that it's really effective. So first of all, what I want to introduce you guys to is this really awesome blower, and it's made by STANLEY, and my name is written on here kind of ugly, so please ignore that, but this is by STANLEY, and I'm going to put a link in the description of where you can buy this at. I think you might be able to buy it online from Walmart even, but this is a really great blower. I set it to the max number on the side whenever I'm drying my tail. And the last time that I dried my tail using this blower, I timed it. It took about an hour once I got home and set my tail on the ground and started drying it. It took about an hour to dry the entire tail. So I thought that was pretty good. Let me tell you something, this fan is amazing for not only drying your tail, but like staying cool maybe in the garage, in like a workshop out in your garage, or just anywhere where you need a really good fan. Okay, so basically, I'll show you in some video clips of how I dry my tail, but what I do is I focus on the fluke separately from the actual body of the tail, and it kind of puffs up like a windsock, which once again you'll see in the videos. And I do want to go ahead and mention that I leave everything inside the fluke. I don't take any of this stuff out. Everyone has their own way of doing it. I just feel like in order to prevent any unnecessary issues with, you know, taking and removing the fluke so many times, I don't want to cause any problem with that. So I go ahead and I leave the plastic inside pretty much 24/7, even when I'm drying the tail. So I leave that in there to prevent having to take it in and out and cause maybe more wear and tear on the tail than is actually needed. And let's check out those video clips of the tail in the middle of drying.
Here's my tail on the floor in the middle of drying. As you can see, I have the fan turned on and it is on the highest setting possible. You can clearly see here that the fluke of the tail is actually puffing up from all the air that is circulating around inside of it. This will make your fluke dry a lot quicker when you have the air running through it, puffing it up. I get the fan as close as possible to the opening of the tail, and I use a clothes hanger to help prop it open. In this final clip, you can see that the body of the tail is puffing out just like a windsock. If you use this method for drying the body of the tail, it will dry really quickly.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications on new videos that I upload. I just want to tell you guys personally, like, thank you so much. I'm at 1,995 subscribers, I think, right now. So I'm really excited. I'm very close to 2,000, and so thank you so much. Every subscriber has definitely counted. You know, I've been paying attention to it because I just really want to get to 2,000. So thank you so much. It's been a pleasure making videos for you guys. I really love reading you guys' comments, and I'm definitely up for answering any questions that you may have. So go ahead and, you know, ask away. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, this is not working. Bye. Goodbye.